nhớ rồi sen dù nó nói à lúa aliวันที่เขาปลอบพันหนึ่งกับจีน่ะเป็นลุงจ้างคาร์บอนเซนลูกสลูเตเป็นลุงจนได้อินสนาราดันโนล่ะเป็นลุงก็ตัดช่อยอยู่หมดโจ้นะแล้วยังไม่มีไอตีเดียลูกก็ชอบเป็นแต่นะใช่เป็นแต่ที่น้องphố chùa ở áo này là lú cơ lên á nhớ trâu bù mẹ tên là nó ensenada nó kinh gạo lên á nàng tu là tất nhiên mà nó kinh gạo lên á cho họ cái AJ California là tên nó lên là lúng có ta tao cho yếu một chỗ nữa. Here we are. It's Ensenada, Mexico. Big lutsen job ganda du jo nó lên á. Du chốt cả cho khó cơ chốt có lên á. Here we are, Ensenada, Mexico. Beautiful city.
Nhớ chào cho sát tóc dài mê, số lên số tư, được công cụ nô nô. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today.
La Chrissy and Lou. Hold on.
Oh, all together. Oh, you just you and your husband first.
No, that's my brother.
Oh, sorry. You and your brother.
No, it's my sister.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah. Yeah, all together, family.
Gotta wait for everybody.
Bây giờ em bác là cái lúc sau đó nó muốn cho tao play rồi nè, tao play trong Ensenada.
Exactly where they brought me up. Same station. You can get any button.
How much is it? Blood on per person?
Yeah. That's 7, 8. Who's gonna take care of the 8 tickets? 8 tickets, sir. Please go ahead.
Cái bây mà xây cái blowhole đó nè, lừa món sợi dầu lấy trà. Đem bao. Bây giờ tao biết, tao biết mò.
Somebody coming. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Buenos días. ¿Cómo están?
Bien, bien.
And everybody, welcome to Mexico. Welcome to our beautiful city. This is Ensenada, and I am gonna be your tour guide for today. So nice to meet you all. My name is Alexa.
Wow. Hi, Alexa.
Yes, I'm gonna be with you guys throughout the day. So anything you guys need, any questions you guys have, something you're looking for, maybe just something you guys would like to talk about, whatever it is, you let me know. I'm gonna explain how everything is gonna work, how things are gonna be done, what we will be doing, the different activities. We're going to the flea market and the blowhole are at the same place. So we all gather together and we all come back together. We're going to the blowhole. We're gonna go shop. We're gonna go eat and drink, maybe a little bit, 1, 2 drinks. Yeah. Take pictures, have a good time, and then we come back.
Ê, bây ta tập trung nổ đâu. Bây bây giờ mà xe lu à lấy cho chẳng một blowhole.
Yes, if you need to go home quick.
Yeah, just say.
You want to wait for the
That's
feedback?
it.
Well, wait for it. Can you wait? She's saying each person. There's one that's free.
Look, you guys, he has something for you. He wants you to try his drinks. These are with alcohol. These are with no alcohol.
Mango strawberry.
You all want me to take one for the team, right?
Yes,
Okay, man.
Make sure it's not poison.
No pointing.
Approved, everyone approved.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab yours.
Mango or strawberry?
Which one's pineapple?
No
Pineapple.
alcohol. No alcohol. Yes,
This is
alcohol.
mango, pina colada, and strawberry.
Pina colada, this one?
This is without, no alcoholic. This is with alcohol.
How's this like that?
This is non-alcohol. Hang on, yeah.
Oh yeah, this one tastes like a mango nada.
This
Did you
is
get the alcoholic
good.
one?
No, I took the pina colada. You take the alcohol?
Yeah, this one's good. Tastes like a mango nada. It's good. Strawberry. Alcohol.
It's good. Yeah, people want to run to class, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
What time is about? Okay.
Pina colada. No alcohol with alcohol right here.
Okay.
In my store.
We have to leave. We have to leave. Which one? Okay.
Smoothie.
Mango smoothie, isn't it?
Mango smoothie, okay?
Okay. Thank you. This is the free market? Oh. No, yeah, free market. No, no. No, okay. No, no, no.
Anybody want to drink now?
Get one piña colada.
Sí.
I'm gonna order my piña colada. How much is it?
15.
I didn't see you make it. Hold on. I need to see you make it.
Good. Like that. You guys want strawberry or pineapple?
Okay. This is my piña colada.
Oh, good order, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
You got one already?
Yeah. Yeah, really neat.
With some alcohol. Con gusto me busca, yo soy Toño, me gusta compartir amarillo, aquí lo voy a traer. Tenemos una bonita vista.
Alexa, how much?
Okay.
15.
Esto cuesta
No alcohol, right?
grabado.
Yes.
Did she get a virgin?
No alcohol. Sir?
¿Quieres su bebida?
Gator, I thought.
Para mí le puede llevar un barrilito grabado. ¿Tiene algún tipo de solución?
Yeah.
Los delfines se los entrego. ¡Ore! ¡Los delfines!
Yeah, not alcohol.
Thank you. So come back and
Refill,
refill.
yes. Oh,
My first piña colada and ensenada. Ensenada.
ensenada.
Here, drink it.
Güey, te lo oyente y le cae un asinito.
How y'all there?
Taya.
If you want this, it's for 35. No, 35.
Piña colada.
The pineapple is just 15.
Akala.
Có chọc rồi. That's so good.
Yep.
This is
Bacao.
Thank you.
Hello.
Piña colada.
Yours a virgin?
Huh?
Is your a virgin or alcohol in it?
Virgin.
Virgin, huh?
Virgin like my boss.
Okay.
Of course.
Wow, that one's nice too. The pineapple one. Oh, look, coconut.
Come on, let's go.
You guys go. Come on. Bên mà chỗ này. Topping mà.
This is the street market. Oh, flea market. Wow. Welcome back. Welcome back. What is that?
Churros.
Oh, this is my favorite. But we'll come back.
Yeah. Don't forget, right here.
Okay.
Yeah. And look.
We're coming back. Team Alexa, we're coming back. We'll be back. Wow, this is my favorite too. Lo pili na pa kuya. Wow.
Welcome guys, tequila and mezcal tasting in your way back. Remember, you can take 2 liters per person back to the ship duty free. Coffee tequila, mango tequila, chocolate, almond, vanilla, pistachio, walnut, watermelon, peanut butter, mezcal with the worm, with the scorpion. So see you on your way back. Have a beautiful day.
Alright? Everyone, this is not your shop. This is another place where you guys should do cashback. They got their own local tequila as well.
Wow.
Just look for Natural Shop and ask for their prices. Yes, what is that?
The scorpion. Who is that scorpion?
Yeah, that's scorpion mezcal, and also have one with a worm, and also one with infused marijuana.
Oh my god. This is a marijuana. Not a sponsor, marijuana not a sponsor.
This one here is only 100 ma'am. This is 1 liter. I also have a quarter of a liter.
And how much is that?
This one here is 60. So there's a quarter of a liter. I have one with half a liter too.
What is it good for?
Arthritis.
Arthritis?
And something
Oh, wow.
arthritis of the sport.
Once you get drunk, you're not gonna feel this.
That's good, like right there.
This one, amigos, we make our own stuff. We have certificates, but we also test them. That's authentic. Now this one, as you see, is fake. And I understand the design looks fake, but the point here, the same material, it can be a very nice pair of earrings or rings. It's also in too many shops. And look, they react like that, green. See? Big difference, amigos. Something similar is what happened to your skin after a couple days, new tattoo for you. Now, fake ones, fake gold, fake silver, they always lose the nice color. See, like that. Authentic ones are easy to clean, like this. Careful, the Mexican technology. She's trying to take care of you guys. That's why you need to see this before you get too close. 30 to 50% off. The name is Rubens. Have fun. I might see you again.
Can you put a thing? Let me test if this is real silver.
I'll let you know by the way it
can't take
looks.
it off.
How long you been wearing that? For how long?
I just wear like maybe a week.
A week, and you haven't get green on your skin? That probably be real. You know, the fake ones.
What kind of tequila is that?
Passion fruit. Passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit tequila. So we'll take a picture with him. Cheers. Oh, you want one too?
I thought you finished before you said chair.
No, you say cheers and then you drink, honey.
You're the picture. You're no drink.
Cheers.
Mira, my dream. Mexican girl. Yeah. California. Pina de pecan.
That's good. I'll be back.
I'm waiting for my drink. But it looks really good. Thank you.
Okay, you want guns?
Not right now.
Wow.
¿Cuánto? 180.
Street food.
Eran 8 pues.
Ensenada, Mexico. Ya está beach, no.
Día del amor y la amistad. Más de la amistad.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Para que estén bien.
Yeah, that's the kind that she was talking about. Itu solo. This is the blowhole. Blowhole nó nhớ rồi. Bajadora. It's a neta. Mexico, no.
Oh, yeah, you don't have to carry this. He'll make you a new one if you hold on to your umbrella. Oh, what?
You sure? Yeah, like that.
I would try it. You don't want to try clams?
Y ese lugar que tienes, siento lindo junto a la boca, no se lo dejará.
This is called the blowhole. This one doesn't ring. Wow, this is big. Come on, another blowhole. Come on. What? No. Yeah. There it goes. Woo.
That was a loud one.
Come on. Loud to learn. Loud.
Okay, it's coming. There it goes.
Yes.
Nothing, hold on. What's Shane?
Come on. Number one.
Okay, there it goes.
Yeah. This is the small one. Come on. Woo! This was nice. Nhà mình là tên là từ một bên luôn xem nào. Từ lúc nó hay lúc nhát rồi hồ tết cha mẹ để nó Mexico để nó. Đi mà hôm nay thì the bathroom fee is 75 cents. 75 cents per person. For the bathroom use. Look, Mama, you're paying like $2. Oh my God! I'm gonna eat it.
Amiga, te dice one sample. Más rápido se va a vender.
Sample.
One sample.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
My head got rabbit.
Thank you. Sample.
Yana comí from Ensenada, ¿no?
Ensenada.
Esto es Ensenada, que usted donde no blogo.
top for Ensenada.
They charge 12% tax with the card.
Blowhole.
You want some cashback?
You say blowhole nhá là nó để mình có chuyên đoán tôi thì để nó dễ
Like trying to get from me?
cái răng nó cho bác sĩ để các mẹ để nó thời gian nó sẽ tăng một lên nó
mà vậy lúc nãy từ ăn sắp tới nhá trong đằng gần từ cái hạt từ nó từ lúc theo cho tour attraction hồ blowhole từ nó từ nó giờ giặt làm từ lúc sắp tới nhá để nó nè ít tay lên nó thì giờ chua đô la ít tay nó giờ chua đô la nè thì bây giờ cho nó giờ cho lù giờ cho nó sẽ cá một lít chưa
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.